What's the meaning of chancroid? Chancroid. Chancroid.
Chancroid. Chancroid. Chancroid is a sexually transmitted infection caused by the bacterium Haemophilus ducreyi. The infection typically causes painful ulcers on the genitals, anus, or rectum, which can lead to swelling and discharge. The ulcers may bleed or ooze fluid, and can be accompanied by swollen lymph nodes in the groin. Chancroid is most commonly found in developing countries and is rare in the United States. It can be treated with antibiotics, although untreated chancroid can lead to complications such as abscesses and scarring. Safe sex practices and regular STI testing can help prevent the spread of chancroid.